As the Uganda Cranes head into Match Day 2 on Friday the 8th August 2025, fans are encouraged to purchase their match tickets online in advance due to the limited availability as managed by the CAF for the safety reasons. This was announced during the today's press briefing on CHAN 2024 tournament updates.
We are aware that many people failed to buy match tickets online, especially during the last hours towards the start of the first match of the day on Monday. Furthermore, some of you could not understand why tickets were no longer on sale, yet there were unoccupied seats in the stadium. The tickets that CAF had made available for match day 1 were all sold out. I repeat, all the tickets that CAF made available for Monday, the 4th, they were all sold out. As we have said before, CAF is responsible for managing the ticketing system for CHAN 2024 tournament. As a standard measure for enhanced safety of fans in the stadium, CAF is not making available all seats in the stadium to be filled with fans. So if our seating capacity at Namboole is 38,000, all the 38,000 seats are not available with tickets for sale. CAF reduces that number for safety reasons.
However, the local organizing committee appreciated Uganda Railway Corporation for continuing to provide train transport services for the ticket holders. They also noted that the fan parks will remain active in Barara and one of the Kampala divisions.
Relatedly, CAF has made it very clear to Kenya, Tanzania and Uganda that the sale of match tickets is not allowed anywhere near the stadium hosting the CHAN tournament matches. And we are happy to note that for Uganda, we have not seen any sale of tickets around Namboole Stadium.
They also acknowledged and expressed regret over the food and the beverage shortages experienced on the match day 1 at Namboole Stadium. According to Dr. Mugimba, measures have since been put in place to ensure stadium kiosks are fully stocked and affordable, with no fees being charged to the service providers.
Therefore, we also expect these service providers who are bringing drinks and foods into the stadium kiosks to have reduced prices for our fans in order to reflect that we have subsidized the items they are going to sell by not levying them a fee.
Kati ffenna organizing committee twabadde n'obukiiko okugezaako okulaba nga ebyaliwo tugezaako obitereeza. Jjukira nti ffenna ng'eggwanga tukyayiga guno gwe mulundi ogusoose okupostinga empaka zino, era twatudde nga committee zonna eza security, eza ticketing, okulaba nga ebitagenda obulungi tugezaako obitereeza ogenda mu maaso.
Tomorrow, Algeria will face South Africa at 5 p.m, followed by the Guinea versus Uganda at 8 p.m.
And it hits the upright.